Do you feel stuck when listening to English, even after months of practice? What if I told you just simple changes in your routine could make your English listening better every day? Welcome to Achieve English podcast channel. Today, I'll share with you some easy, practical tips to help you improve your English listening skills fast and naturally. Get ready to discover secrets you can start using right now. Have you ever listened to an English conversation and felt lost? Like words are flying by too fast and you catch only pieces? Don't worry, you are not alone. Listening is one of the hardest skills to improve, but there are ways that really work and you can use them without feeling overwhelmed. First, the key is to practice regularly. Yes, daily practice is better than long sessions once a week. Even 10 minutes a day helps your brain get used to the sounds of English. Try to listen every day at a time you feel relaxed. It can be in the morning, while commuting, or before sleep. Second, choose the right materials. Start with easy listening content like beginner podcasts or children's stories. If the words are too hard, you will get frustrated. Look for short clips with clear pronunciation and simple words. This way, you will understand most of what you hear, and that feels great. Third, use subtitles smartly. Don't always rely on subtitles, but sometimes it helps. Listen once without subtitles, then listen again with subtitles to check what you missed. After a while, try to listen without subtitles more often. This trains your ears and helps you guess meanings from context. Fourth, repeat listening. Don't be afraid to listen to the same audio several times. The first time, you get the general idea. The second or third time, you notice new words or details you missed before. This repetition builds your understanding and confidence. Fifth, connect listening with speaking. When you hear new words or phrases, try to say them out loud. This helps your brain remember better and improves your pronunciation. You can also try shadowing. Listen and repeat immediately, like copying the speaker's voice and rhythm. Another important tip is to focus on key words, not every single word. When listening, try to catch the main ideas or important information, not every tiny word. This way, you understand the message even if some words are unclear. Also, create a comfortable learning space. Find a quiet place, use good headphones, and avoid distractions. When you concentrate, your brain processes sounds better and faster. Try mixing different types of listening, conversations, songs, news, or movies. This helps your brain get used to different voices, accents, and speeds. Remember, patience is essential. Listening skills don't improve overnight, but with steady effort, you will see progress. Celebrate small wins like understanding a sentence fully or recognizing new words. Lastly, keep a listening diary. Write down what you listened to, new words learned, and your feelings. This keeps you motivated and helps track your progress. By following these simple tips, your English listening will improve step by step. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. Listening to English every day is one of the best ways to improve, but sometimes it feels like your brain just can't catch up. You might feel tired or distracted. Here's a secret. It's okay to take breaks. When you feel overwhelmed, stop for a few minutes, breathe, and then come back. Your brain needs rest to process new sounds and words. Now, let's talk about setting realistic goals. Instead of trying to understand everything perfectly, aim to get the main idea or a few new words each time. For example, today's goal could be to understand 70% of a podcast episode or to learn 5 new words. When you reach your goal, you feel proud, and that pushes you to keep going. Another useful trick is to use apps or websites that let you slow down the audio speed. Many English learning tools have this feature. Listening at a slower speed helps you catch each word clearly. As you get better, try to listen at normal speed. This step-by-step approach builds your confidence. You might also want to create listening challenges for yourself. For example, choose one podcast episode per week and listen to it 3 times, each time focusing on different things. The first time, listen for the general meaning. The second time, write down new words. The third time, try to repeat parts out loud. These challenges make learning fun and interactive. Don't forget about the power of songs. Songs can improve your listening and pronunciation. Try to listen to English songs, read the lyrics, and sing along. This trains your ears for rhythm and intonation, which are important in real conversations. Speaking of real conversations, try to find chances to listen to native speakers live or in videos with natural conversations. This will help you get used to different accents and faster speech. Even if you don't understand everything, it's good. Remember to stay positive. Sometimes progress feels slow, but every little step counts. Celebrate your improvements, no matter how small. Maybe today you understood one whole sentence clearly or learned a useful phrase. That's a win. Finally, keep your listening practice enjoyable. Choose topics you like, whether it's sports, music, travel, or cooking. When you enjoy the topic, you want to listen more, and learning becomes easier. With these ideas, your English listening will become stronger day by day. Practice a little every day, be patient, and have fun. Now, let's quickly review what we learned today. We talked about easy and practical tips to improve your English listening skills. You learned why practicing every day is important, how to choose the right materials, and the power of repeating and using subtitles smartly. You discovered how to connect listening with speaking, focus on key words, and create a comfortable learning space. We also explored using different types of audio, setting realistic goals, slowing down audio, and even turning listening into fun challenges. Remember, the secret to success is consistency and enjoying the journey. Keep practicing little by little, and your listening will improve more than you expect. If you liked this video, please like it. Subscribe to the Achieve English podcast channel. Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite tip. And most importantly, practice what you've just learned every day. Thank you for listening, and I can't wait to help you in the next episode. Keep going, you're doing great.